Hi, I'm Rupali Datta. Let's talk about superfoods. It's a buzzword. Everybody wants to, to know about that particular superfood that will change their life, that will improve their health and make them, the healthiest person on earth. Well, scientifically speaking, there are no superfoods. Superfoods, because of this whole conversation that's happening around it, have been explained as foods which are dense in nutrients, which as the Webster Merriam Dictionary says, that these are superfoods which are very, very dense in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients. Oxford Dictionary, on the other hand, describes them as foods which bring that extra benefit to your meals because of the nutrients present in them. So how do we know what is a superfood? Well, actually, between these two definitions, it about covers everything. These are foods which must be included on your daily meals because they will help improve your nutritional status, help improve your health, just by the fact that they are loaded with nutrients that are beneficial for your body. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 or 4 simple foods that we actually consume every day that are there under our nose, but we don't even think of them as superfoods. Number 1, yogurt. Made from fermented milk. It contains live bacteria which makes it a probiotic. This live bacteria works excellently for our gut, and if our gut is healthy, we are protected against a lot of diseases. We are protected against obesity also. The second food that we never think about in terms of superfoods are whole grains. Whole grains are a treasure trove of fiber, of phytonutrients. We never think of them in terms of antioxidants, but they're very, very rich in phytonutrients. So that's something again that we use on a daily basis. We just need to be more conscious about their usage. The third food that I would like to take up today are legumes. Simple things like rajmas, chanas, soya bean, your sprouted dals. These are again excellent in a lot of nutrients. They have fiber, most importantly they have antioxidant phytonutrients, they have minerals, vitamins, phosphorus, you name it, and it's all there. So these are just 3 examples of common foods which we don't even consider as superfoods. So next time you're looking for a superfood to improve your health, just look into your kitchen pantry and you'll have your answers.